So children, same compound interest, children, compound interest. Manjit Singh, we are doing children. Manjit Singh, exercise number 6.9. I'm telling. First question, children. See the first question. Okay, what sum of money will amount to? What sum of money will amount to 1,352 for 2 years at the rate of 4% per annum? 4% per annum. Okay, Raghuram?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100
Okay,
whole to the power N.
okay,
1352 is equals to P into 1 plus 4 by 100 whole to the power 2.
okay. Keep saying, keep saying, ma. Are you able to hear me? Children, are you able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, children, 104 into 104. Anyone have calculator, children? 1352 into 100 into 100 by 104 into 104. Answer. Anyone is having calculator, children? Second question. Kavadika, next question. What sum of money will amount? Again, I want principal only. Will amount to 2,811.90 in 3 years at the rate of 3% per annum. And first year, 4% per annum, second year, and 5% per annum, third year. 3%, 4%, 5%. Yeah, tell me how to. So amount is equal to.
A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N.
Okay, how much?
2001.90 is equal to P into 1 plus 3 by 100 into 1 plus 4 by 100 into 1 plus 5 by 100.
Okay, how much? 2811.9.
2811.90 is equal to P into 103 by 100 into 104 by 100 into 105 by 100.
Okay, children. So all these hundreds will go there, children. And 103, 104, 105 comes down, children.
Equal to 2811.90 into 100 into 100 into 100 by 103 into 104 into 104.
105. How much ever you get, that much you will see. That is the answer. Okay. So children, please keep solving this, children, because we will keep
Sir, answer is 2500, sir.
This one, huh?
Yes, sir.
How much?
2500.
Then why you didn't tell this one?
So that one net connection was gone, sir,
Okay.
suddenly.
Sir. Yeah, next
So
to
that
it.
one was 1250, sir.
That one, how much?
1250, sir.
1250. Okay. Why it is decreasing? At a principal, no? Here also principal, no? Yes, it is decreasing. Surya, tell third sum. What sum of money will produce the same compound interest in 2 years? Surya? At the rate of 5% per annum. At the rate of 5% per annum. In as 943 produces in 10 years. As 943 produces in 10 years. 5% per annum. Simple interest. Okay, sure. What question is what sum of money will produce the same compound interest in 2 years at 5% per annum as 943 is producing? So, children, from here you have to find principal, and that principal you have to put it here. Children. From here you have to find principal, and that principal you have to put it here, children. So, how to do it? And saying, children, see here. Okay, Sujit, tell me simple interest formula. Simple interest.
SI is equal to PTR by 100.
Yeah. What is the simple
Uh,
interest? Simple interest is
943 into
10 years into
5
5%.
is equal to and P into 10 into 5 by 100. 10 0 tens of 5 is equal to R is equal to 9 into 12.
1886 rupees. 1886 rupees. Okay. Now tell me compound interest amount. What is the compound interest formula? Amount
Principal
minus principal.
amount
What is the amount formula?
amount P into 1 plus R by 100
Minus P.
minus P.
Yeah, can you tell us how to do?
18
Will produce the same compound interest is saying. Will produce the same compound interest. Compound interest is 943.
943
No, no.
is
What?
equal to
One second. What sum of money will produce the same compound interest in 2 years? Same compound interest. What is the compound interest here? Same compound interest. 943.
943 is equal
Ah.
to 1880s.
So amount.
My
Question is what? One second. Now, what sum of money will produce the same compound interest in 2 years at 5%, which is producing 943 produces 10 years at same compound interest you want? What sum of money is asking? What sum of money will produce same compound interest in 2 years at 5%? Then what for here they are giving here? We found a principle. Then what we want to find out now? What sum of money will produce the same compound interest in 2 years as 943 produces? Okay. Now what happened is this 943 is a principal number, not simple interest. I'm sorry, I told you wrong. This 943 is a simple interest. Sushi, this 943 is a principal number. Tell me, find the simple interest here. Find the simple interest.
SA is equal to PTR by 100. SA is equal
Principal
to
is 943.
943 into
Time is 10 years.
then 10 into 5 by
5 by
100.
100. Okay.
So this will be cancelled. 5 2
2
is equal
4
to
2 7 2 1 point. This is the principal. This is the simple interest. This is the simple interest.
simple.
This is only compound interest. This is only compound interest. This is only you take compound interest and find the principal for this compound interest. For this compound interest, you have to find the principal. Okay. Now tell me what is the compound interest formula now?
Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal is equal to 9 into P into 1 plus
5
R
by 100.
5 by 100
2 minus P.
minus P.
So 471.5
is equal to P into 105 by 100.
Okay.
1% is equal to P
P
into
this is how much? 51 by 20.
20.
21 by 20.
21 by
20 whole square minus P.
P.
So 471.5 is equal P is to 21 square is
441 by
400.
400.
Yeah.
Minus P.
So 471.5 take P common children. 441 minus 400 minus 1 children. Okay. So how much it is becoming children? How much it is becoming? 471.5. How much it is becoming? So P into 400 LCM children. 441 minus 400. Please see here children. This goes up. 471.5 into 400 is equal to P into 41. 41 goes down. 471.5 into 400 by 41. So Raghuram, can you please type it out?
Sir, 4,600, sir.
Huh?
4,600.
4,600 rupees is the same principal. Thank you. 4,600 is the principal which gives the same simple interest and same compound interest. 4,600 is the principal which gives same simple interest, same compound interest. But of course, years are different. All those things are different. Next one, fourth question, children. Fourth question. I think we can't complete children. Time. Last question we go to this one. Fourth question. See here. What sum invested for? What sum invested for 1.5 years? What sum invested for 1.5 years? Compounded half yearly. Compounded half yearly. Children, compounded half yearly at the rate of 4% per annum. At the rate of 4% per annum will amount to 132,651. Will amount to 132,651. Yeah. Raghuram, tell.
Yes, sir. Amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N.
Okay.
132,651 is equals to P into 1 plus 2 by 1 plus 2 by 100 whole to the power 3.
So there are 3 half years. So that's 3. Okay.
3.
So yeah, how will you take?
Yes, sir. 132,651 is equals to
132,651
is equals to P into 102 by 100 whole to the power 3. 132,651 is equals to P into 51 by 50 whole to the power 3. 51 into 51 into 50 into 50. 132,651 P is equals to 132,651 into 50 into 50 into 50 divided by 51 into 51 into 51.
So I think this 3 will get cancelled. I think so. 5 plus 25, 25 by the 125, 125,000. I think so. Am I correct? Sir? I think so. 1,32,000. Because 51 into 51 into 51 is 132,651. Once check now. Is it correct what I told? I think so.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Surya, a certain sum amounts to Surya is there.
Yes, sir.
Amount is 24,000 in 9 months at the rate of 6% per annum. 6% per annum compounded quarterly. Compounded quarterly. Determine the principal. Quarterly means 6 by what you will do? 6 by how many quarters will be there in 1 year?
Sir, 6 by
4 quarters.
2. Yes.
3 by 2. Okay. And 9 months means it will become how much? How many quarters will make 9 months? How many quarters will make 9 months?
Sir, 3.
1 quarter is 3 months now. So 3 is the 9. So tell me, amount is equal to. Tell Nana.
Sir, amount is equal to 24,000 is equal to P plus 1 by 3 by 200
Okay.
whole to the power of 2. P into 203 by 200 whole to the power of 2.
Okay.
3. Sir, P is equal to 24,000 into 200 into 200 into 200 by 203 into 203 into 203.
203 into 200. So principal will be around. So principal will be around how much?
So 22,951.6, sir.
22,951.6.
0.6.
Yeah, Pravalika, next one. Thank you, ma'am. Pravalika, you
Yes,
have to
sir.
find the time. You have to find the time. In what time will sum of 24,000? Will sum of 24,000? Will sum of 24 amounts to 25,215. 25,215. 25,215 at the rate of 2.5%. 2.5%. Time we should find. Yeah, Pravalika.
Yes.
25,215.
5 is equal to 25,000 to
2 to
24,000.
the 4, 4 plus 1, 5.
5 by 200 whole to the power of n.
Come on, keep saying.
25,215 by 24,000 is equal to 205 by 200 whole to the power of n.
Okay, 2101. Oh, no, 540 ones 540s. So, what will we do? So 540s are 41 by 40. 64, 64. So, what we'll do is 25215 by 24, 1, 2, 3 is equal to 41 by 40 whole to the power of n. So 40 into 40 into 40. 40 cube if you want, 64,000. But here only 24,000. So I will do 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 5 4s are 5 1s are 5041. 5041 by 24 2s are 48. Is it possible? Can
We will
5041?
get 5043, sir.
50?
43, sir. 5043.
5043.
Yes, sir.
5 5s are 5 4s are 20. Yeah, 5043. Somewhere I did mistake because 40 cube is 64,000. You should get down compulsory. Then it will become easy for you. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 8s are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 6 are 0 0. So 1681 by 1600 is equal to 41 by 40 whole to the power of n. 1681 I can write as 41 square. 1600 I can write as 40 square. 41 by 40 square is equal to 41 by 40 to the power of n. So as n is 2, so in 2 years, this will happen. In 2 years, n is equal to 2. And base are same, powers can be equated. In 2 years, this will happen. In 2 years, this thing will happen. Okay, probably I understood. Suju, next one. Sujit.
Yes, sir.
In how much time will 800 rupees? In how much time will 800 rupees amounts to children? Remaining people, please try to do calculations. 926.10 at the rate of 10% per annum. Compounded half yearly. Half yearly means what will take 10 by 2 will take.
And wait.
So 5. Yeah, can you help me? How to do? 9 to
6.10 is equal to 800 into 1 plus 5 by 100. 926.10 by 800 is equal to 105 by 100.
Okay. This if point if you remove
92610 by
1,
8000.
2, 3, 4. 5 2s are 1, 5 20s are 21 by
21
20
by
whole to the
20
power
whole
of
power.
10. Okay, this 0 gone. So 9261 we can write it as what? 926 is
21
21 by 20 whole cube. And this is
Whole power
21 by
of
20 whole n.
whole
So n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 means 3 half years, children. N is equal to 3 means 3 half years. 3
Yeah.
half years means how much time, children? Anyone? 3 half years means
18 months.
1.5 year. Very good. 18 months. Okay. Next question. Surya. In at what rate percent? At what rate percent? At what rate percent? R we should find out. Will the sum of 5,000? Will the sum of 5,000 produce 408 as compound interest? 408 as compound interest.
Your video is turned
Sir,
off.
your video is turned off.
Sorry, 1 second. Yeah, for 1 second, it will come to me. At what rate percent will sum of 5,000 produce 408 as compound interest at 5% per annum? No, in what time? At 5% per annum. In what time? In what time 5,000 will produce 408 compound interest at the rate of 5% per annum? Surya.
Sir, first
Compound interest formula.
amount is equal to
Compound interest is equal to
amount minus principal.
Okay.
And amount is
Uh,
sir into 1 plus
okay. This
n
is,
minus 5.
this goes here. 5,408 is equal to 10500 n. Bring this 5,000 down. Bring it down.
Yes, sir. 5 is equal to. Oh, okay. Sir, but.
Yeah. What happened? Just see if it comes here 540. So 20.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we have to take. Oh no, yes, sir. We have to take 24,000. No, 21 by 20 down.
7024 2 2500. Yeah, again 21250. 2 1 3 6 5 2. So what we have, children? 1352 by 1250 into 21 by 20 whole to the power of n. Again, you can simplify by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 2 5 are. Can you tell them 676 by 625 to the power of 21 by 20 whole to the power of n? Can we simplify this further, children? No, no. At what rate the sum of 5,000 will choose 408 as compound at 5% per annum? Children, this is 26. This is 25. Whole to the power of 2 is 21 by 20 I'm getting, children. How is it possible, children? 105 is 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 20s. 21 by 20, here 26 by 20. Whole to the power of 2 I'm getting, children. Compound interest Ramayana finance principle 5408. Anywhere I did this take children, please check once. At what rates will sum of 5,000 produce 408 as compound interest at 5% per annum? No, children. Somewhere it went wrong. Somewhere it went wrong. Surya, somewhere it went wrong. Nana, no problem. You understood the sum. Tell me 9 sum. Surya, tell me 9 sum. Surya, are you there?
Yes,
In
sir.
how
Yes.
much time? Again, time only they are asking. In how much time? 9 sum. Sum of 1600. Sum of 1600 amounts to 1852. Amounts to 1852.50. 1852 point at 5% per annum. This is easy. 5%. Can you tell how to?
Sir, first amount is equal to, because component interest is equal to.
No, amount is equal to direct amount. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus.
Principal into 1 plus 5 by 100.
Okay. 1852.50 by 1600.
16, yes.
105 by 100 whole to the power of n.
And
This point, if I remove 2 zeros, will come down.
yes.
Raghuram, can you tell me help the calculations now?
Yes, sir.
So this is 5 to 21, 520.
Yes.
21 by 20 to the power of n. This and this gone.
Sir,
So
root n, sir.
no root n. You simplify this. 5 3s are 15. 5 7s are 35. 5s are 5 3s are 15. 32. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 0 0. Still you can simplify. 5 7s are 35. 5 4s are 5 1s are 5 6s are 30. 5 4s are 6 741 by 640. 5 7s are 35. 25 4s are 25 1s are 741. 5 6s are 30. 5 4s are 6. So 741 by 640. 21 by 20 to the power of n. Yes. 1852.20. 22.20. Oh shit, 1852.20. No, this is, I'm sorry, children. This is 20. This is 2. This is 2. That's why it's going wrong. No problem. I will only do, children. Just see here. So 1600 will go down, children. 1852.20 by 1600 into 105 by 100 whole to the power of n. If I remove this point, 2 zeros will come, children. 1852.20 by 16 1 2 3 4. So 21 by 20 whole to the power of n, children. This and this is gone, children. Before for the so
So 2 we could divide by 2, sir.
yeah, we'll divide that. 2 9s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 8s are 1 are 0 are 0. Yeah. 21 by 20 whole to the power of n. This is 20 cube, this is 21 cube now. 21 by 20 whole cube by 21 by 20 whole to the power of n. 21 cube is 96. So n is equal to 3, children. Like this we can do. Okay, children. So tomorrow please write test in compound interest, children, all of you. Okay, tomorrow compound interest will be there, children, and friction